Well, welcome back to PA Outdoors. We're on 150 north of Bellefonte. We're just watching a bald eagle fly around. We got a little Vista here. Unfortunately, we don't know what this is, but it definitely seemed worth stopping and checking out. Okay, there's stonework everywhere. Look at that. Beautiful area. It was nice. Unfortunately, we didn't catch it fast enough, but the bald eagle was very, very cool. So, and we have a sign marker here for Warriors Path. Paths from all 6 parts of the 6 nations country converge at Great Island. There, the Warriors Path ran up this valley to Bald Eagle's Nest, now Milesburg, then on south towards the Carolinas. And we just saw the bald eagle, so pretty interesting stuff. So anyway, it's been Paul and Ryan from PA Outdoors. Cheers.